syrup? Someone was here recently.
Don't look at me. I haven't had breakfast yet.
This opening footage is not official behind-the-scenes content for Zootopia 2, but rather something I generated using a secret AI tool.
All the donuts are gone!
Videoinu is the world's first tool integrated with Sora 2, allowing you to generate up to 30 minutes of full cinematic AI movies with just one single prompt and one click. No editing skills needed.
This isn't a donut, it's just a ring of air!
Another perfect day!
Videoinu's new Zootopia 2 inspired style animations have now been integrated to work with the Sora 2 engine. What does that mean? Crisper animations, richer expressions, more dynamic camera angles, and Videoinu is giving out 5 free pro membership accounts today, so please stick to the end of the video and I'll tell you exactly how you can win a free pro account. Not only Zootopia 2 style animations that you can do other forms of animations. Let me show you something crazier.
Go! He's up there!
Focus. Breathe. Move. Okay. Who's firing at me now? I'm not in the mood. Let's end this quick.
You won't escape this time!
Watch me.
Welcome back to Everyday Life with Jayne, where I tell you what's next in AI. The link to Videoinu is in the description box, so you can just click it and try this out with me. Once you open your Videoinu platform, it looks like this. You're going to go over here and of course log in. New users are given 500 free credits that they can use to test out this platform. Now, Videoinu is the first platform that fully integrates Sora 2 to generate videos of this duration. It handles scene pairing, animations, character movements, voiceovers, sounds, everything you need for your full production. Once you open the Videoinu platform, click here that it says Story to Video 2.0 and click Create. Now for this very easy one, I'm just going to put a very simple prompt. A little boy on his way gets distracted by a butterfly. He follows the butterfly into the woods till he arrives at a little hut owned by a magical woman. This is the prompt. We're going to go over here to the character styles for the animations and we are going to choose Zootopia style, okay? Now you can choose any of the other animated styles that are here. It's going to generate beautifully. Now the duration, over here you can click the duration of your video, how long you want it to be. And sometimes you can just leave it and the application will tell you by itself how long your video is going to be. Just that and you click create. Just like that, it has created images for all the scenes that will be required in this short video. So all you do is come here and you just click next. And that is it. You just press the generate button and your video is ready. Now let's watch the video we just generated.
Whoa! Didn't mean to startle you. Hard to miss me though, huh?
You're amazing.
Come on, let's see where the wind takes us.
Whoa. You going in there? Okay, guess I'm coming too. Where'd you go? Gotcha. Whoa. I didn't know anyone lived out here.
Someone does.
Are you going to stand there all night?
I wasn't sure you were real.
Real enough. Come closer.
I think that was really beautiful. For just a single prompt and just clicking few buttons, you have a full story. And you can see that the animations are smooth and he maintains his character throughout all the scenes. These are some of the things that you enjoy using the Sora 2 engine on Videoinu. And that video was over 33 seconds long. So your video can go as high as 30 minutes, okay, depending on the prompts that you give the Sora 2 engine to work with. So now I'm going to show you for the intermediate level. This first one will do this for the easy level. Anybody can do it. So for example, if you want to generate a video that has a likeness of somebody, what you have to pay attention to is your prompts. There's a way you write prompts for Sora 2 engine, and if your prompts are written nicely, you can generate anything that you want. Now, we stick mostly to the animation style with this is because it doesn't have any restrictions with the Sora engine. Let me give you another example, okay? Now back on the storyboard, this time I'm going to click create, right? And now I want to create something that looks like a scene from the X-Men, okay? And I want to do it this time in comic style. Now when you want to generate something like that, you need to be more detailed in your prompting. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my prompt document. I'm going to copy the prompt document. As always, you can see my prompt document in this one is much more robust. We are going to go to the Videoinu platform. After open the storyboard, we're going to go over here and we're going to paste the prompt. Okay, and of course you're going to select, you can leave the duration, come in here, you can select whatever style that you want, and of course you click create. It is an extremely simple process, and just like that, all the images for all the scenes in my story are generated and they are animated beautifully for you. So all you do is you come over here and you just click here and press next to animate all, or you can just press the next button over here, right? And all you need to do is just click this button to generate. That is all you need to do. And guys, I'm going to show you the finished X-Men inspired video.
I've got the center! Keep pushing!
Playing close. Clear the sky.
Not bad, weather girl.
I think that was cool, right? So you can see that it maintains the characters remain the same, the motions remain the same. I don't need to think about the different unique prompts or think about the different scenes one by one. It intuitively breaks it down into scenes, make sure the camera movements are there, make sure the sounds are there, make sure the voiceovers are there, and of course makes it a coherent story. No editing is needed. So now the last and the final one I'm going to show you, just to try a different style. Okay, so this is a story of a little kitty, a day in the life of a kitty, and of course I put in the prompt and then it generated all these beautiful images for me. You can even play them one after the other, okay, to see what each of the scenes are saying, right? It is really cool.
Today, I've decided to cook for myself because delivery prices went up again.
Do you see that? And you can even preview each scene to see what it does, and just the same thing, you press the next button and then you just hit generate. It is so easy, and then your video is done and is completed. So now let's watch this kitty adventure and then we'll come back and talk about our giveaway.
Cutting isn't about skill, it's about presence.
Good stir fry is all about heat control, meaning don't make the smoke alarm angry. See, I told you, turn down the heat. I'm fanning. Stop yelling at me.
What do you guys think about that? I think that was a very cute story. If you want to get one of the free pro accounts, what you need to do is very simple. Number one, register on the Videoinu platform. I have the link in the description, and it's also going to be in the pinned comment. Number two, tell me what you like about the Videoinu platform. Number three, tell me what improvements you think the Videoinu platform should undergo. And number four, drop your username for me in the comments. Okay, so I need to see all those things in the comments, and I will pick the people that are going to win the 5 pro accounts in the next 48 hours. So I hope you are one of my winners today. And thank you guys for watching today's video. You can watch other videos here and here. And if you have any other questions or you want me to try any other AI tools, please let me know. And before you go, tell me the generation that you watched today that you loved the most. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.